Have you ever tried to take a photo and your phone says storage full? That happened to me constantly because I take a ton of photos and videos. And every time I get that notification, the solution is always the same. Upgrade my cloud storage, pay another monthly fee. It's getting ridiculously expensive. So I was looking for a solution and I started using the PhotoStick Omni instead. Did it save me money? Well, stay tuned and find out, plus a surprise benefit. So what is the Omni? What you do is you just open it up. It backs up your phones, videos, even files directly from your phone, computer, or tablet. All you do is you just plug it in, like so. It fits any phone, tablet. It has a USB-C, micro USB, and Lightning. So all you do is you download the free app onto your phone or tablet. You put it in, and it searches your files automatically. You can download all your photos, all your videos, all your files. It searches it automatically because of the free app that you download, and you don't have to pay for storage anymore. It's saving me a lot of money, and it's just so easy to use.